Let's take a look at how the currency futures markets are trading in India, and Nidhi Sharma joins us from the newsroom with all the details. Hi Nidhi.
Hi Manisha. Now Rupee continues to remain firm. It is trading strong against all currencies today. Now volatility in May contract, USD INR 18 paisa, Euro INR 47 paisa, GBP INR 53 paisa and Yen INR at 48 paisa. Open interest in May contract, MCX SX close to 7.3 lakh lots, NSE over 10 lakh lots. Volumes, MCX SX close to 14,500 crore, NSE close to 13,100 crore and USD clocking a volume of close to 9,900 crore. Back to you Manisha.
Thank you for those numbers, Nidhi. So nearly 40,000 crores done till time in the markets there. Of course, there still is an hour of market to go from there. Let's get in the expert as well, and Abhishek Goenka, CEO, India Forex Advisors, now joins us in our Mumbai studios with his views on all of these currencies. Abhishek, hi, welcome to the show. Before we start off with the currencies, really, the volumes really have been quite well in the recent days. From 30,000 on a daily basis, we have been trading between 40,000 to 50,000. Do you think it's the options which really has made the levels go up?
No, I think the awareness, across India, all the brokers and all the exchanges, of course, our regulators, they have been increasing the awareness every day, and I guess people are coming to know about the currency market a lot, and they're taking active interest in the markets. Stock markets have been a little choppy, people don't know what to trade, so probably they're doing some business in the currency markets, I guess.
And absolutely, and this is a market which is very, very highly leveraged, and people can.
The price discovery has definitely, developed. If you see from the, if you see the arbitrage which was there between the forwards and the futures market, which is narrowed down quite a lot. That means the price discovery is happening. New structures like options are getting introduced.
Sure.
So definitely the interest is coming up.
To the rupee then, declined 1% in the last week, has seen a bit of gains. How are you trading it now?
See, rupee per se, fundamental is still strong, I guess. Whatever we saw last week was due to the, devastating effect of commodity prices in silver, gold and crude that we saw internationally. We saw some major profit booking happening in Eurozone, majorly because the expectations of interest rates were totally crashed when they said that they're not going to raise. So the entire market was caught aback. That's the major reason why rupee went a little weak. Plus, if you see the growth figures got revised, which is also not very much expected, 7.5%, 8.5%. The trade deficit is not decreasing anyways, so it's around $5 billion. It's been holding strong. So that's the reason rupee went a little weak. I think that was all the reasons came at one shot, which actually led the rupee a little weaker. But we personally feel that rupee still have a lot of good news, and in terms of inflows, we have seen some outflows in terms of equity markets. At the same time, we have seen significant amount of inflows in the debt market, because of the interest rate hikes. RBI is clearly leading the curve, I guess. 50 basis point hike, which was quite good, and expectations are also that in the future we might see further hikes in the interest rates. So clearly the money is going to come into India, and I think the rupee should likely to remain stronger. And I think 44, 70, 80, again I would repeat, that is a very good level to actually go long dated forwards, go short exporters, gain premiums of 300 basis points and get a level of around 48 plus levels. It's an amazing level to go short.
Sure. Abhishek, and there's a news flashing on your screens there. The Delhi High Court has reserved the plea on executives' bail on the 2G scam. That's an information which is just coming in at this point in time. The Delhi High Court has reserved order on executive bail plea in 2G case. Of course, we'll get the details on that one, but that's the information just coming in on your screens there. Abhishek, getting back on currencies, and you were rightly pointing out that the euro also has seen a bit of decline, and maybe that was pressurizing the Indian rupee, but nearly 1.5 and then 1.43. How do you see this fall on charts, and what's the course ahead?
See, charts 42, 43 levels, 1.42, 43 levels are very good support in case of euro. 6 to 700 basis, 7 big figures in a currency like euro is not a very big thing. It normally happens and once in 6 months. So I think as of now on the charts, it's merely showing that it's a correction. It's not a reversal as of now, even though we are expecting that maybe in July we are going to see further interest rates hike in euro. So I think the increase or the momentum of the increase is not going to be so great as we saw earlier. At the same time, I think buying on dips would be the great strategy for euro. Exporters, I think they can be a little bit comfortable because euro is likely to go up.
All right, Abhishek, let you go at that. So some support coming back in euro. Rupee also has seen an appreciation, and the volumes, as Abhishek was telling you, is increasing because of awareness and options, more instruments in the markets now to trade your currency. With that, it's wrap on this segment of Currency Call. Thank you for watching.